Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're touring a show-stopping new arrival, the 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 22Veranda by Forest River. If you love outdoor living, cozy interiors, and a touch of luxury on the road, this model is going to blow you away. This RV features a 9-foot rear deck patio, covered and gated, that creates the perfect space to enjoy your morning coffee or entertain guests. And check this out, it also has a full outdoor kitchen with a sink, mini fridge, and griddle, so you can cook and relax. It's the ultimate backyard on wheels. As you step in, at the very front is the private master bedroom with a versatile king bed, overhead storage, a wardrobe on one side, underbed storage, and blackout roller shades. Comfort and privacy guaranteed. As you head towards the kitchen, you'll pass the walk-through bathroom, featuring a large shower, vanity, and residential toilet. It's surprisingly spacious for a travel trailer. As you step into the kitchen, you get a residential-sized fridge, pantry storage, and a pull-out table for quick meals or prepping ingredients. Everything's within reach, and it looks great too with the upgraded finishes. The living room features a spacious and modern living area. The large slide-out opens up the space beautifully. There's a comfy L-shaped Versa sofa that doubles as extra sleeping space. Need more place to store things? Check out this under-the-couch storage area with plastic storage bins. The U-shaped kitchen is fully equipped with a 3-burner range, microwave, and a deep stainless steel sink. There's an entertainment center right across from the couch, complete with a 50-inch TV and a cozy electric fireplace below. The 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 22Veranda is a perfect blend of comfort, smart design, and outdoor living. Whether you're full-timing, weekend adventuring, or hosting campground cookouts, this travel trailer has everything you need to do it in style. What do you think about this model? For more RV tips, travel inspiration, and in-depth reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button and the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. See you on the next video.